line, only this line, we have a lady there in the camera. Oh, Leo.
Yan, ngayon naman po, samahan niyo po kami sa pag-welcome sa ating napakaganda, napakasipag at #Ascenso Garantisado na First Lady Mayor ng ating bayan ng Bulacan. Walang iba, Mayor Alice Leandro. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Kumusta na po kayo? Nakita niyo po ba tayo kahapon? Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, lalo-lalo po sa mga ating pangalawang umaga. I'm very happy po to welcome our guest, Miss Nancy Garcia, in behalf of Miss Joanna Kayanan. Ako principal ng Dabang High School, Miss Amalia Lising, San Roque High School Principal, San Roque High School Teachers, Sister Caridad Macani, San Benito Academy Principal, Mrs. Lady Sival, former NCIP leader, mga Filipino artist ng Bongban, Mr. Ronnie De La Cruz, Curator, World War II Bongban Museum, hello po, Mr. Sergio Calaya, historian and poet. Ito, Sergio, maraming salamat. At si Mr. Alvin Ignacio, a.k.a. Bertong Iskona. Mr. Francisco Vito, poet from Macabebe, Pampanga. Teachers and students, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Good morning! Bukas magkita tayo ulit ah. Saan tayo magkikita bukas? Mamaya ulit so saan tayo magkikita bukas? The Museum and Galleries Month, yung tinatawag po natin MGM, is observed every month of October by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 791, Series of 1991. Ang pala nito ay naglalayong bigyan ng importansya ang national consciousness natin at pride sa ating napakayaman na Filipino culture and its heritage embodying the aspirations of the nation, expressed in all media of arts as well as historical and religious artifacts. Ang tema po natin ay Embracing Uncertainty, Showcasing Solidarity, Hope, and Recovery that highlights the binding role of museums and galleries as cultural identifiers in a rapidly changing world. As we slowly enter the post-pandemic era, we are wandering into an unknown world. Nevertheless, we still stand as one. Looking towards the future with a recovered and renewed vision, kaya naman we invited po ang mga pinagmamalaking makata at historian ng ating mahal na bayan ng Bongban. In this way, we can rely and educate our audience, mostly the youth, of the importance of our museum, galleries, and our heritage, our history as a Kabongban. Maraming salamat po sa ating guest, si Mr. Ronnie De La Cruz, isa po siyang curator, World War II Bongban Museum. At pangalawa po natin siya. And of course po, sa ating Tito Sergio, Mr. Sergio Calayag, siya po ay isang Since dalawang araw na po tayo nagkikita-kita, bukas asahan ko po kayo i-upload. Saan po tayo magkikita bukas? Ulit? Saan ulit?
At
Naku, hindi kayo